Good morning. Today let us see revision 3 statistics. In revision 1 and 2 you have learned mean, median, missing frequency from mean and also from median. Today we are going to discuss mode problems. So let us see the first question. The frequency distribution of table of agriculture holdings in a village is given below. Find the model agriculture holding of the village. Model means mode, here we have to find out. Model agriculture holdings. So area of the land in hectares 1 to 3 hectares. As classes it is given. Number of families 20. This is frequency. 3 to 5 45. 5 to 7 80. 7 to 9 55. 9 to 11 40. 11 to 13 12. It's continuous class and frequencies are also given to us. How do we find out mode? So here we have to check the formula. Everybody knows the formula. Is it mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So let us see what is this F1, F2, F0, etc. and lower limit and as well as class size. Class size everybody knows it is the size of the class, upper limit minus lower limit. It is 2, 9 minus 7, 7 minus 5. H is equal to 2 here. Now lower limit of model class. How to choose the model class? You have to see the frequencies. The highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency among this? Isn't it 80? So highest frequency column is the model class. 5 minus 7. So model class is equal to 5 to 7. Therefore, lower limit of model class is 5. Okay. So, its frequency is called as F1. So, model class frequency is F1. Previous one is F0. And the succeeding one is F2. So, 0, 1, 2. It will come in the order. So, F0 is 45. F1 is equal to 80. F2 is equal to 55. This is how it comes. Okay. Now let us substitute. Here we have all the values. Therefore, mode is equal to L plus. L is 5 plus F1 minus F0 80 minus 45 divided by 2F1. 2 into 80 minus F0 45 minus F2 55 into H value 2. So all these values we have substituted. Let us see the calculation. Very simple calculation it is. Okay. So 80 minus 45. It is equal to 5 plus 80 minus 45. Here we have 35 divided by 80 into 2. Isn't it 160? So let us multiply and write 160. Both are having negative sign. We will add both. We will get the value 55 and 45. Together it is 100 into H. That is 2. Okay. So that's equal to 5 plus 35 divided by 160 minus 100 is 60 into 2. We can cancel one time. This is 30. Now 35 by 30 we can cancel by 5. 6 5s, 7 5s. So 5 plus 7 by 6. That's equal to. What is 7 by 6? You have to find out. Divided for 2 decimal. We'll be getting 1.16. 5 plus 1.16. The decimal it continues, but we will take only for 2 decimal. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1 6. 6.16. That is our answer. 6.16 for 1 decimal. If you want, you can write it. 1 becomes 2. As the number, second number is 5 or more, we have to add 1 to this. So it is 6.2 hectares. In unit you have to write in order to get full mark. Okay. Hope you understood. 6.2 hectares. Here we have the second question. That is, the following table gives the age of distribution of cases of a certain disease admitted during a year in a particular hospital. Find the average age for which maximum cases occurred. So age in years, they have given us 5 to 14. Here you have to be careful. After 14, number 15 comes. That is how they have given the table. To 24, then 25 to 34, then 35 to 44, then comes 45 to 54, 55 to 64. Frequency is also given to us 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Okay. So here you have to be careful. As I told you, this is not a continuous class. After 14 to 15, those values are missing. So we have to make it continuous first. How to make it continuous? So as it is, upper limit is 14, next lower limit is 15, gap here is 1. So the gap is 1 and 1 by 2 is 0.5. That 0.5 should be subtracted from lower limit. 0.5 should be added with the upper limit. 5 minus 0.5 is 4.5. 14 plus 0.5 is 14.5. 15 minus 0.5 is 14.5. 24 plus 0.5 is 24.5. So this is how we are going to make it as continuous. 0.5 you have to subtract from lower limit and 0.5 you have to add with the upper limit. So here we are getting this as 44.5. Now 44.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 64.5. So here we will be having all the values. Let us see the maximum frequency here. It is seen as 23. 23 we will call it as F1. Previous one is F0. This is F2. So F1's class. This is our model class. Here we have to find out mod. From the question you might have understood. Find the average age for which maximum cases occurred. Number of cases. So maximum cases means here mod here we have to find out. So we got model class and lower limit is equal to 34.5. F1 is equal to 23. F0 21 and F2 14. Class size H is equal to 14.5 minus 4.5 is 10. H is equal to 10. So now let us substitute all the values. So we can write the formula and substitute. In the formula, what is formula? Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we are writing the formula. Now we will be substituting L. L is equal to 34.5 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 by 2 into F1 is 23 minus F0 minus F2 into H value 10. Okay. So here we have 34.5 plus 23 minus 21 is 2 divided by this is 46 minus 35. Okay. So same sign, add it and give the same sign into 10. So how do we get the values now? Simplify again. This is equal to 34.5 plus 2 divided by 11 into 10. So what is that equal to? Here we have 2 by 11 or 20 by 11. Here we can take 34.5 plus 2 into 10 is 20. Divide by 11. So 34.5 plus 20 by 11 you find out. You are getting 1.81. So the answer is 36.31. Just add it and see, you will be getting the answer. Those who don't know, just see the addition. 34.5 here 1.81. Okay, 36.31. That is the maximum average age for which maximum cases occurred. Let us see the third question. Find the mode of a data. We have to find out mode of the data. If its mean and median are, mean is equal to 17 and median equal to 19. Mean and median are 17 and 19 respectively. So what is the connection between these three? Do you remember empirical formula? What is empirical formula? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. So now let us substitute. It's very simple. 3 into median value 19 minus 2 into mean value 17. 3 into 19, isn't it 57 minus 2 into 17 is 34. 34. Therefore, subtract now 3 and 2. 23 here we are getting. Isn't it? 23. So, the answer is 23. So, learn the empirical formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Fourth question. Find the difference of upper limit of median class and lower limit of model class. So, median class and model class, here we have to find out which are they. So, how to find out median class? For median we know we have to find out CF column. That's why I made it 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 13. What is that? Isn't it 22 plus 20? 42 plus 14. 56 plus 7. 63 plus 5, 68. So, n here, n is the total frequency or maximum frequency 68. Okay, therefore n by 2. What is n by 2? 68 by 2 is 34 here. 34. So, now how to get our median class? We have to check for median class. CF column we have to check. Where comes 34? 34 is missing. So the next bigger number 42. Its class, isn't it 125 to 145? So here we have to write median class is equal to 125 to 145. This is lower limit of median class, upper limit of median class. First we are making CF column, maximum frequency n we are getting, not the maximum frequency, total frequency n we are getting 68, n by 2 is 34. You have to look for 34. If that number is not there, the next number in which class it occurs, that class will become the median class. So 125 to 145. Now for model class, you know what is model class? So how to get model class? Maximum frequency, in frequency column you have to check. Which is the maximum number? Isn't it 20? So is this 125 to 145 is the model class? So we got it. 125 to 145. Now come back to question. Find the difference of upper limit of median class. Median class upper limit is 145 and lower limit of model class. Lower limit is 125. Okay. So that is how let us write. Therefore, difference of upper limit of the median class and lower limit of model class, that's equal to upper limit of median class, that's equal to 145 minus lower limit of model class is 125. See the difference, 145 minus 125, is it 20? So in any form you may get the question. Learn the content properly. First learn all NCERT question. Go through different questions in different books. So you'll be getting revision questions from me. So you can do more question and be thorough with the content. We'll be meeting with the different questions, variety questions in the next class. Hope you all understood. Bye.